Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I was like actually editing, and if you not seen it, you watch this. But if you don't wanna, you can like just skip this. And I'm watching Evelyn and Erica House videos. Of course, so yes, I'ma do a mukbang. Okay, I'ma do a mukbang. So just watch me have a mukbang, but in time lapse. So malulawat na ako. Oh my gosh. Is that what? So, may natira na lang na isipan. Which is kakainin ng okay. And dahil malulawat na to, I think ito charge ko siya mamaya pagkatapos kong kumain or ngayon. So, yeah. Bye. I will see you later. Okay, so I just realized na dito na lang pala mag-edit because for me na download ko na kasi yung CapCut dito. There. And pwede palang mag-transfer dito sa camera to the computer. So, ngayon ko lang nalaman yan. Kasi I remembered na pwede. So, trinay ko and pwede na siya. So, I'm gonna edit like the first vlog. The first part of this vlog. Yeah, so mag-edit ako habang nanonood. So, I'll be back. And nagka-charge ka din kasi hindi ko pa ito na-charge. So, I'll be back. So, hi, I'm back again. And I'm not editing my videos. Like, not still editing because, yeah, I'm still finding out kung paano makuha yung video sa phone to the computer. So, I'm gonna share it. How to... Wait nga lang, wala ka sound patungan dito, nakakainis. Sige, dyan na. Ay, basa. Sige, dyan na nga lang muna kayo. Pangit kasi lighting. O, dyan na kayo. Okay. Flash tayo. How to run. Uy, hindi ito nga gagawin. Turn your phone on and unlock it. Your PC can't find the device if the device is locked. On your PC, select the start button and then select photos to open the Photos app. Select import from a USB device, then follow the... I will read it again later. There. And yeah, it's like it's current, and I talk about okay. It's currently 11:30. I just realized that I'm filming in like video and photo. May ganun kasi dito. And it's maganda na, pero yung background ang hindi maganda. Look. See that the background is not yet. Oh, the volume. I literally can't understand what I'm saying. Yes. Mag-type ako ng I'm sorry for the dog's barking. I don't know why is it like you're not moving. And then, so, ito time-lapse ko na lang. Hi guys, I'm back and I'm gonna edit once again. I'm no, I'm trying na what do you call it? Um I'm trying to edit my ano tawag sa'yo? Intro first. There you go. Thanks. Thank you. Ito pala yun. Yeah. Add to track and I will squeeze that in there. There you go. Parang masyadong mabilis yung spend the day with me, ah. Not gonna lie, pero parang mas mabilis. I will literally shut up. Uuntian ko to kasi for me, masyadong mabilis yung keyboard. By the way, di pa ito masyadong tapos. Mabilis tong hindi ko alam kung bakit. Hi guys! For me, ang hina ng di ko lang because of like the dogs barking. I think that's why. Ratio. Ano bang ratio? Ayan, 16.9, right? So I'm done editing like the first part, and I still have not been like done. I still have like not yet. I still have not done. I am still not yet done editing, but I still because I need like to still put some videos in here, and it's like 2 minutes. It's like 2 minutes, I think, all that. So yeah, wish me luck. And I have like videos still from my phone that I still have not been done. Like I still have like not yet. It, I am still not done yet transporting them. So currently editing there. So I'm gonna try to edit this vlog in here. So I think this will be actually a very short vlog. So updated. And I'm still like I know, but I'm gonna transfer like um the videos in here to my laptop, my beloved laptop. So yeah, I'll be back when I'm like done transporting the videos from the camera and from my phone.